Hi guys, it's Claire Perceiving Alive, and today I am at Buckles Feed Depot and Pet Supply. Is that it? Yes. We just call it Buckles. So, this place is right here in Lafayette, Indiana. It's downtown, and I need rabbit food, so we're gonna go take a look at it. It. I did not even get kind of the whole store when I was in there. I mostly just showed the animals. As soon as I quit filming that, I picked up a 25-pound bag of rabbit food, and I didn't think about not being able to film then. So, sorry about that. If you're in the Lafayette area, make sure you come and check it out yourself, because these guys are great. So, as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you around.